Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Automating your finances isn't just about convenience, it's your key to lasting financial freedom and peace of mind. Imagine waking up each day knowing your money is working hard for you without needing constant attention. No more stress, no more forgotten bills, no more guilt when spending your money. Automation solves it all. But let's be honest, most people never take the step of automating their money because they believe it's complicated or think they don't have enough to start. Let me tell you clearly, whether you're earning thousands per month or you're just getting started, automating your finances is the smartest move you'll ever make. First, automation means saving money without even thinking about it. The second your paycheck hits your bank account, you automatically transfer a portion of your income into a separate high-yield savings account. Banks like Ally, Marcus, or Sophie offer high interest rates and make this automatic transfer effortless. Even if it's just $20 or $50 a week, the key is consistency. Small, regular transfers compound significantly over time, creating an emergency fund that removes stress from unexpected expenses. Next comes investing, which also needs to be automatic if you're serious about wealth building. Platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or M1 Finance allow you to invest automatically into low-cost index funds or ETFs, such as VTI, VU, or VT. Forget trying to time the market. History has repeatedly proven that consistency beats timing. Automating investments means you invest every month, rain or shine, market up or down, steadily building your wealth without emotional stress or constant decision-making. Then there's the essential step of automating your bills and regular payments, rent or mortgage, utilities, car payments, subscriptions, and credit cards. Automating these payments ensures your bills are paid on time every month, preventing late fees and protecting your credit score. It also removes the cognitive load of constantly remembering due dates, allowing you to focus your mental energy on what's truly important in life. Now let's talk budget automation. This is where you truly take control of your spending. Free budgeting apps like Mint, Enab, and EveryDollar automatically track your spending in real time, categorizing every dollar and alerting you if you're overspending. You see exactly where your money goes without guessing or manual calculations. Another powerful tip: automate your discretionary spending, the fun stuff. Each payday, automatically transfer a set percentage into a separate account labeled for guilt-free spending. This lets you enjoy your money without worry, knowing your essentials and savings are already covered. Some people ask, what if my income changes every month? The beauty of automation is it works perfectly whether you have steady paychecks or fluctuating income. Simply set percentages instead of fixed dollar amounts. Maybe 10% for savings, 10% for investing, and 80% for spending and essentials. As your income grows, your savings and investments automatically scale up with it. Automating your money doesn't mean you never check it again. Instead, schedule a quick monthly review of your automated system. Just 15 minutes each month ensures your financial system stays aligned with your goals. This small habit reinforces accountability and gives you clear visibility into your finances without creating stress. Here's the truth: wealthy people aren't smarter or more disciplined, they simply set up systems that automatically create good financial outcomes. You can do exactly the same, starting right now. Don't wait until you're making more money or until everything feels perfect. Start automating today, even if you're starting small. Remember, consistency beats perfection every single time. Automation creates momentum. Each automatic transfer builds your future freedom step by step, quietly and powerfully. Imagine a future where your money management requires minimal effort, where savings grow automatically, investments compound consistently, bills get paid without reminders, and your budget balances itself smoothly. That's true financial freedom, and it starts with automating your money today. There's no better moment than right now to set up these automated systems and start living without financial stress. Make today the day you take real action. Automating your finances is about empowering yourself, taking control of your financial future, and creating space in your life for the things you genuinely love and care about. So take action now. Hit like on this video to commit publicly to your financial automation journey. Comment below saying, "My money is automated," and subscribe because the next step is even more powerful. Learning to live comfortably below your means without sacrificing happiness. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.